What's up, guys? So I'm just doing a quick review on the Govee LED light strips. Basically bought these off of Amazon because I wanted to add some uplighting, some backlighting to my desk, which you can see I already have turned on. So I have the green, steady green color going. As you can see, it reflects off the back of the desk there, and it kind of like shines up on the ceiling a little bit, just a little bit on the wall, not too much. But the main focus was I wanted it in between the monitors there, and then shining down on the floor. Now this is not necessarily how it'll stay. I may additionally get some additional to uplight the back of the wall a little bit more, but for now I really like it. I think it looks really good. I just wanted to let you guys know my opinions on it. I think it's great. I think I paid about 16 and change for this, so $16 and change, really cheap. Basically what you just have to do is you just run it behind your desk, and I did move the desk out just a little bit so it shows more light. Because if you look, you can kind of see the reflection of the strip a little bit, but I'm okay with that because it makes it even brighter. So I like that. As if it was pushed in, it would be slightly darker. But basically, I'm going to show you guys some of the colors. And how, this way you guys can see how it looks. That's the green, that's what I had it on. Blue. Purple. So that's really cool. Then you can do, so those were all steady colors. Then you can do scenes. And there's so many different scenes that you can choose from. Guys, look here. You can see all the different scenes. There's natural, festival, life, emotion, DUI. So really cool. Really, really cool. Do sunrise. Then sunset. Dusk. Sunset glow. Star. Lightning. Starry night. That's cool too. Then we have universe. Aora. Rainbow. Sky. Fire. Forest. surge, river, this is called grassland, clear lake, desert, spring, summer, fall, winter, and you know, it is on camera, so the colors and performance never shine through as good as in person. Like I'm looking at the camera now, and the blues aren't, they're not gonna pop, and the contrast is just not gonna be as vibrant on camera. So unfortunately, you guys are not getting the full experience. But let me tell you, it's cool. It's really cool for 16 and change. This is awesome. You guys probably already know about Govee. They're very popular in the LED light strip area. It's definitely on the top five for home offices, LED home office decorating. So, but just to give you guys another quick look, as you can see, you have festive, life, emotion. What else we got here? The app does connect via Bluetooth, so you connect your phone, Bluetooth on your phone to the Govee app. Download the Govee app, um, then connect your Bluetooth through the Govee app. It also does come with a remote. Just to let you know that the remote is a little bit limited, so you can't do as much with the remote. There's more features on the app, which is why I'm using the app now. Because on the remote, you can basically you can change colors or whatnot, but it's harder to select like the scenes. So I'm choosing to use the app. This is good if you just want to like brighten it, change some colors real quick. Like I can go in with the remote and just quickly change the color like I did. You know, I can go through basic colors. When I go through mode, actually I think if I go through mode, um, you can change one or two scenes. It seems a little finicky, so that's why I've been using the app to control it. This is good if I just want to quickly power it off. I have that. Also, it does come with the plug that you have to plug in. And what I did is I kind of just threw it behind here, but it has the three buttons, which is the power. You can change the color from there as well, and also I believe the scene, so it comes with that as well. I just hit it behind there in case I'm like coming in and I just want to power it on directly from there and not have to load the app up on my phone or even get the remote. You can just quickly power it off from there, so that's really cool too. And this is kind of what the app looks like. You know, it has the ability to sync it to music, and there's different kinds of music that you could sync it to, as you could see. So that's really cool. You have what is it? Rhythm, sprouting, shiny, and then you can do music from your device. You can see parties. What does that say? Party, dynamic, calm. Focus. Yep. Really cool. And then, like I said, the scenes, different scenes, party, festive. You have a ghost. That's cool for Halloween. Then Valentine's Day coming up. And I do apologize. Some of the color may not be shining through as good. When I focus the camera, it seems to be a little bit better. And you have disco. Not bad for 16 bucks. This is pretty good. If you advance to the, if you get the more expensive versions, I believe you can do a little bit more. You get, you get a little bit more scenes. I think you get like AI scenes, a few other ones that are really cool. I do wish I could do like the AI scenes and whatnot, but I mean, I just leave it on the. If I want, something cool like that, I'll just do like gamer, or something like that, gaming mode, which is cool. I'll show you guys that one real quick. This is the game one, and you can see it just basically goes through RGB, and then actually a few other colors too. So you're getting a little bit of everything with this. Really cool. Yep. Really, really cool. Yep. So I really like it. I recommend it. If you guys are interested in buying this, I will leave a link for you in the description below. Just gonna show you guys the box. Let me see something. See where I put it. Put it somewhere and I can't find it. We got it. I moved it. So, but yeah, I'll definitely put a link in the description below. If you guys are interested, you can definitely buy it. I definitely recommend it. It's a really solid product. Great for a home office upgrade. Doesn't break the bank. Super easy to install. Comes with 3M tape. Comes with a little alcohol pad. I used my own alcohol because I felt like it wasn't going to be sticky enough. Very simple DIY project. You just have to measure your desk, horizontal, diagonal, and then that's it. It's really, really simple. You just follow the dots, cut where your desk ends, plug it into the power outlet, and you're good to go. Super easy, worth every penny. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Take care and have a good one.